Here we go, here we go again. Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one, with the only DBL Nicks in the house as well. And of course, the queen of all stocks, the one, the only DBL Moms. There you go. You got to do better than that. DBL Moms. There you go. That's what's up. All right. So we had a big runner earlier in the day that we called in the Discord MLEC. You could see the chart. But before we get started, let's say that we are not financial advisors or stock advisors. This is not to be taken as financial or stock advice. Do your own due diligence, ladies and gentlemen. Do your own due diligence. Yeah. This is just a show. Hey! That's what's up. Okay. That being said, if you're not following us on YouTube, subscribe. Hit the notification bell and ring that bell.
Ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded.
And you can also follow us on Twitch. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, you can follow us on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money. And if you want to join us in our private Discord where we call a lot of bangers a lot of times, you can go ahead and click the link in the description and get a 99-cent special for 7 days trial and then $39.99. Go check out where the magic is done. Yes, sirree. So let's go take a look at some of these stocks. MLEC had news. MLEC had news earlier today. The news was as follows. Mula became first molecular farming company to achieve USDA approval for plant-grown animal proteins. Proteina. And it ran up 128%. 128%. And of course we called it before that happened. Of course we did. And now it looks kind of bearish. It looks like we have a double top on the 1 minute, and that it would be a bearish reversal. Let's put it on the 5 minute. Take a look at what it looks like on the 5 minute, and you can see even more clearly. Top, double top. We don't like double tops.
We like the bottom.
That's about the tails. That's the tails. But these are double tops. Walks as good as a hit. Walks as good as a hit, right? I'm okay with it. So let's see what else we got going on. NIVF just hits the scanners. NIVF just hit the scanners. And it's going parabolic on news. News that came out just now. Non-binding term sheet for potential reverse merger with European Wellness Investment Holding, and the float is only 10 million shares, and it's up 76%. 76%, 180%. DBL Mom says it's 80%. 87%, and still parabolic. It's a little extended on the 5. Let's see what it looks like on the 1. Okay, it's pulling back. It's got a little bit of that doji thing going on over there. It is super, super extended. We got our first red volume candle right down here. And, of course, it's in the overbought zone. And once again, the float on it is 10 million shares, and the news is that it signs a non-binding term sheet for potential reverse merger with European Wellness Investment Holding. That's the news, and I'm sticking with it. It's pulling back. We want to see it stay above the level of 130, which it did not stay. Let's see if it holds VWAP at 117. That's a pretty significant pullback, and you could see that you have a pretty large top tail at the 146 candle. So that's not good, but let's see if it can become an ABCD. It's very extended. I don't think so, Doubles. I don't think so. Little extended. Little extended. This doesn't look realistic to me. But let's see what happens. Let's see if it does the old ABCD bull pattern. Let's see. I don't think so. I say no. I say we go check out a different stock. Let's go check out a different stock. So CLSR was another stock that ran early this morning. CLSR. Okay, why does it look like the same exact chart, Doubles? No. That's weird. Okay, let's try this again. NIVF looks like that. They just look alike. That's all it is.
Wow.
Whoa! Holy moly! They're moving in sync. They're sinking and
moving in
move.
sync.
Okay, there it is. There it is.
There we
Okay.
go.
So you can see big sell-off after the big run, early after hours over there. Let's get back to NIVF. Let's take a look at what's going on. Is it going to give us the ABCD? Is it going to give us the ABCD? It's breaking the level right now of 130 resistance. Up, up, up. I don't know. It's a little overbought. A little overbought on the RSI. A little overbought. But there are eyes on it. Let's see what the volume is. Volume so far is 2.35 million, and it is a 10 million float stock, and it is pre-market. I don't think so, man. It's trying, though. The old college try. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's see what's going on. Yes or no? Yes or no? Here's another level that it should break. All right, we want to see it break right over here. Will it break this level? I don't think so, but we'll keep an eye on it because it's the only show in town right now, I would say. Right now, it is the only show in town, and it does not look like it's going to do it. So let's move on to the videotape. Let's go take a look at MLEC. It was a double top. Let's see if it ended up going down or if anything else happened to it. MLEC, and there goes the flusheroon happening right there as it starts to move below VWAP. Double top, one here, one there, and it's pulling back. Let's take a look at CSLR one more time. CSLR, and that's a flusheroon as well. It's been selling off ever since the do or die moment right over here. Right, this is the make or break moment, and it ended up breaking downward instead of breaking upward. How about NKGN was another runner earlier in the day. Let's get that. Let's correct that. NKGN, boom, like that.
There we go.
And that looks like it's selling off as well. So that one don't look too good. How about this one? ASLN, which was a very thickly traded stock. It had a double top. You could see a top over here. In fact, we'll do a little drawing because that's what we do. We do little drawings every now and then. Right there. Let's see. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I got my graffiti pen out. Boom. 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 Firepower. You can see double top and, of course, the sell-off. The sell-off. Now we have it going with a potential curl. Let's see. Can we get a descending wedge? Can we get a descending wedge reversal right here? Let's see what goes on here. Let's see if we could get that. Boom. All right. Maybe we'll get that. We have resistance at the 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 13 EMA, but it is curling towards VWAP. We will come back and check you out. ASLN. And now we got NIVF going parabolic again. NIVF parabolic again. And it went ABCD. 90%. 90%. Let's change the time frame and create some levels. Let's create some levels, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go and do that. Let's get some level action, as I like to call it. Some leverage. That's it. How about boom? Hold on, I got to get my other graffiti pencil out. Boom. How about boom right here? That's one. How about boom right there? That's another one. Another one. Another one. Give me another one. Another one. How about this one? Boom. How about this one up here? Boom. Okay. Boom.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Man, I love going boom. It just makes me feel good. Boom. All right. It makes me feel good. Boom, boom makes me feel good. Boom, boom makes me feel good. Come on now. We're watching. We got our ABC. We got 90%. We got 90%. Pulling back. It's extended. We know that. It's overbought on the RSI. You could see it's overbought. We got a bunch of red candles. But you know what? I want to keep an eye on it because as long as it holds above $1.45 or near $1.45, you just never know. So let's keep an eye on it. Let's see what's going on. And it looks like it's got some volume. Nope, very low volume. But it looks like it's testing the high of $1.54. We got resistance right now at $1.52. Does it break it? Does it break $1.52? We're watching. It does have a little bit of a doji candle going on, so it's kind of like indecisive. A battle between the bulls and the bears, and it looks like it's going to pull back. It's extended, and you know what? It's extended. It needs to pull back. That's what I'm thinking. But let's go at the 5 minute. Let's go at the 5 minutes, see what the 5 minute looks like. And you could see, again, a little bit more clearly that we have that resistance level right there at $1.45. We need to see it break through. On the 5-minute, it's giving us a little bit of a bottom tail, but it's a red candle. We want to see a big green candle pushing, and I'm not seeing it yet. We're still watching. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. You're going to be a nice little boy, girl, whatever you are, NIVF, whatever you are. Be a nice one. Be a nice stock. Come on. Be a good stock.
Be good.
We're still watching. We're still watching. Let's go to the 1 minute, see what the 1 minute looks like. Get a little bit of a vibe, if you will. All right, it looks like it's still holding. It's still holding up. We're going to pay attention to it for a little bit longer, and if it doesn't get schmexy, we're going to go to another stock. Okay, I'm getting bored. Time to go to another stock. Next one, SMFL. SMFL up 28%. Let's clear some of these drawings. 48%. Holy Toledo. Let's clear this up a little. Let's clear this chart up a little bit. There we go. It's now up 54%. Let's put a level right there. $5.38. Let's zoom in. Does it have news? Does it have news? No news. No news. What's the float? What's the float? The float, that can't be possibly right. Volume is very low. We're not sure what the float is. But, hey, it's going down now. So enough is enough with that one. Let's go to the next one. Next one's going to be, let's try this one. TRSG was moving earlier and then had a bad drop. What is it? TRSG. TRSG. Let's take a look at that one. All right, so let's go to the zoom in view, and we could see that it is starting to try to break through VWAP. Not a heck of a lot of volume. You can see that the candles are very, I don't know. They're like very sickly looking. You know what I mean? Yeah, they're a little ill looking. But we will come back to you. TRSG, we will come back to you. Okay, AGBA, continuation play from last week. We called it before it went parabolic in the private Discord. If you want to join the private Discord, we got a special. We got a special. The special is in the description. Click the link. 99 cents for the first 7 days, and then $39.99 thereafter. We the best. Go check it out for yourself. Don't believe me? Go check it out for yourself. Okay, so this looks very, very bearish. It looks like a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and it also looks like it's barcoding, and it's going down, but it does look like it's trying to curl back up. It's trying to curl back up. So let's draw a little trend line. Let me get my graffiti pen out. Let's put a little trend line over here. A little trend line. Maybe we could get a little bit of, I don't know, a little descending wedge here, maybe with a reversal, but I'm not fully satisfied that right now there's enough volume for that. So we're going to move on to the videotape and go to another stockaroon. Let's go to the one, the only, ASLN. ASLN, very thickly traded stock. And it is kind of curling, but not very impressive. Let's go and check out another one. Let's go check out NKGN again. NKGN. And once again, pulling up, trying to make a curl towards VWAP. Not really there yet. Again, could be the beginning of a descending wedge. Maybe. But not terribly impressive. So gonna have to say toodaloo for now to NKGN. Back to SMFL. And SMFL had that nice little run, and then it popped, and it dropped, and now it's in a consolidation mode. So not very schmaxy. NIVF had a 90% run just a few minutes ago. Not very schmaxy, looks bearish at this point, but it gave us the ABCD pattern that we were originally looking for and gave us a nice little run. A run. Okay.
See, Chris Tanemo on X says, have a great day, Coach Nick, and JAGX on the move right now, he says.
JAGX on the move. Sono, thank you very much. And let's check out JAGX JAGX. We got some of our peeps that are watching. JAGX said that they're moving, and it is moving. 17 cents, like that. Let's go. Let's see if there's any news on JAGX. The news is from 8:45 a.m. Napo Pharmaceuticals, a Jaguar Health family company, for exhibit at Oncology Nursing Society Congress in support of companies expanding focus on cancer supporting care. Let's scroll down. I know that the float got a little bit heavier on this stock. It's quite heavy, but it gets a lot of volume usually. It doesn't have a lot of volume now, but it is moving. 231 million. It's a heavy float stock. We are definitely going to put it on a side chart. Side chart, because right now it is up 11%, 17 cents. So we will keep an eye on it on a side chart. Let's go and see what else we got going on. Let's see what else we got. We got SPCB that we were looking at earlier. It had a nice 58% run, I believe it was. SPCB. And then it did a flusheroo. We called about 3.5 hours ago, we called a double bottom. You see the bottom over here? Let me get my pencil out. The bottom goes over here. You see another bottom over here? Two bottoms. Hey, doubles. You want to watch me tickle the bottoms? Look, I'm tickling them. I'm tickling its bottom, see? And then it broke out. Double bottom, for people that don't know, is a potential reversal pattern, bull reversal pattern. And you could see that it did break out from that pattern and moved up and went up about 54%. And then it created a double top, which is another reversal pattern. But that's a bear reversal. So it went from a bull to a bear. We don't like the bears.
We don't like the bears.
They go into the garbage in the morning, you know. We don't like it that. We like it the bull. The bull.
In the backyard.
The dookie.
The dookie.
The dookie. Where did you come from? Never mind. I know where you came from. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, we got NIVF. I want to check that one out again. NIVF. I want to check that one out. We got anything going on over here? Let's see. What do we got? Very bearish. Looks like it's flushing down. That's not a good sign at all. Okay. Not schmexy. MLEX is the leading gapper, but it was not schmexy either. Heavy floated stock. 37 million shares. Heavy floated stock. But it did have news. They had the first molecular farming company to achieve USDA approval for plant-grown animal protein. So let me get this straight. It's protein, animal protein, but it's from a plant. Did they make the plant with the animal? I am so confused. I am so confused. But what I'm not confused about is it's curling over VWAP on that news. So let's do some drawing. I like to do some drawing. Let me get my graffiti pencil out. Boom. How about we go like this? How about we do maybe something like this? And maybe something like this over here? This one? Can we do this one? Boom. Okay. And, make a break. I need it to stay above VWAP. I need to see it break $2.96, $3, and all of these levels over here. Let's bring it down a little. These are the levels that I need to see it break now. It was having major consolidation in this range over here. So let's get another graffiti pencil out. Another graffiti pencil. Another one. And let's draw this area, because this area seems to be a significant resistance area for it. It has had difficulty breaking out of this area right here. And if we zoom in, you can see that that is in fact where the double tops formed. Now it's trying to curl its way back up. It does have news, but it is definitely on the heavy stock side, heavy float side. Time for some espresso. Time for some espresso. Espresso time.
It's espresso time.
What do we got? We got MLEC is now up 112%. It has been up as high as 128%. When we look at the RSI right down here, we could see that the numbers are within mid-range, not overbought, not oversold, and we can see that we do have some green volume candles, but they're not these big monstrous ones where it was running up. So There is some attention on it. It is the number one gainer this morning. But there's not a heck of a lot of volume. DBL Moms, there's not a heck of a lot of volume on many of these stocks, and we don't like that. We don't like that. But we're going to check out another stock. Let's check out another one that's on the scanner. TARA, lightly moving, lightly. You can see it has sprinkles of candles. Not really very impressive. Does it have any news? No news. It's up 16%. And the float is 5.77 million shares, but not very impressive. So, back to the videotape. We're going to go back to NIVF, see what's going on with that one. And it's trying to curl. It's trying to do a curl. So let's get the graffiti pencil out and let's go and do some drawing. You know we like to do some drawing, so let's go like this. How about like this, Doubles? Let's get this other graffiti pencil out. Boom. How about this? Boom. Boom. How about we do something like this one? Like that, the one? And maybe this the one? Can we have a descending wedge right there? Could that be a descending wedge? Maybe. I mean, we got it right with the ABCD. So how about a descending wedge? And NIVF does have news. It signs a non-binding term sheet for potential reverse merger with European Wellness Investment Holdings. And the float is 10 million. And the volume has now gone up to 8 million. All right. So there are people looking at it, but the volume right now is very light because it is below VWAP. VWAP is at about $1.28. So we're going to keep an eye on it. It's still below the 9 EMA as well. It's slightly above the 20 EMA. We're looking, we're watching. We're watching, we're looking.
We're waiting.
And we're waiting. I think I'm going to wait and check it out. I'm going to see what's going on here. I'm going to check it out. Let's see what's going on here. Is it going to move for us? Volume seems to be coming in. It's very heavy on the level 2. There's a lot of bulls and bears on level 2. It may not be ready yet. But I'm certainly going to keep an eye on it, Doubles, because it does look like the potential, how do you put it, descending wedge reversal, bull reversal. Let's go to the 5-minute. Okay, and you can see that this would be a level that we would want to see it maintain. Let's go ahead and fix that. Boom, boom. Right there, that's a level we wanted to maintain on the 5-minute. Let's go to the 1-minute, get some more clarity. And it did break through the 9 EMA. It's given us a little bit of that bottom tail that we love. The bottom tail. Tickle the VWAP. Come on.
Tickles the VWAP.
Tickle the VWAP. Come on.
Tickle it.
Doesn't have a lot of volume, Doubles. That's the problem. Doesn't have a lot of volume. Okay, we're going to go and check out different stocks. Let's go take a look at SMFL. We will come back to NIVF. SMFL is also tickling VWAP. VWAP right here at around the 420 mark. Right at the 420 mark. It does not have a heck of a lot of volume going on. Not a heck of a lot. And is at around 25% right now. 25%. So we're going to move to another ticker. Let's go to the one, the only SPCB. And it is still friends with the trend. Let's fix the trend line. Let's fix the trend line. As you can tell, it did a nice little bounce off the double bottom that we called about 4 hours ago. It's a penny stock. It's trading at 30 cents right now. 30 cents, and the float is only 5 million. And the volume is 27 million. So there's a lot of people trading this stock. Does it have news? Non-binding term sheet for potential reverse merger with European Wellness Holding. That's what the news is on that one. Okay, so that's what we got going on with that one.
Okay.
All right, we'll keep an eye on you. We'll come back. It's still friends with the trend. It's still moving up. Okay, very, very slow. It's above VWAP. Doesn't have a heck of a lot of volume. Not schmexy. Let's go back to MLEC, leading runner of the morning. And it is having a hard time. It's on hard times right now, Doubles. It's on hard times. It's above VWAP. There is a bottom tail, but there ain't much volume. And without volume, Coach Nick is sad. Right now I'm sad. We want volume. We want some volume. All right, we're going to go check out CSLR. CSLR.
CSLR.
And it's trying to do a little bit of a curl, but it is way below VWAP. VWAP is right up here. It is also a super penny stock. Super penny trading at 58 cents. 58 cents. What is the float? DBL Moms, what is the float on this sucker? Scroll down, scroll down. It is a heavy floated stock at 25 million shares. And do we have news? No news. No news. No news whatsoever. Okay, let's try OLB. That was another stock that moved earlier today. OLB. OLB. And it seems to be selling off. Selling off. Okay, not very schmexy. Not very schmexy. Okay, let's try ASLN. ASLN, as we get closer to the open, looks like...
Yeah.
I'm just going to go with...
Yeah.
It does not look very schmexy.
Not schmexy.
Not schmexy. So we're going to not even talk about you right now. No. NKGN. Not even a... you don't even get side chart.
You don't even get
Not like that, you don't. And you know what? I got news for you. Early runner NKGN does not look schmexy either.
Nah.
No. DBL Moms. No. NIVF. And again, we were trying to see if it would break that descending wedge. Right now, it has to hold $1.18. Otherwise, you get a potential big flusheroon right down there. Come on. Let's go to AGBA. As we get 3 minutes before the bell. Big runner for over a week. We called it, I think, on April 18th before it went parabolic. And we did our little descending wedge over here. It looks very choppy. Not a lot of volume. And we need to see it start breaking over $1.58. So we'll come back to you 2 minutes and 45 seconds before the ring-a-ding-ding bell. Ring-a-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding. Ring-a-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding bell. Ring-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding bell. MLEC. It's trying to curl. It's trying to curl. Remember, this area right here, the shaded area, was a significant sticking point for the stock, a significant resistance area for this stock. But it does have news. MLEC does, in fact, have news. And also, the float on it is on the heavy side, 37 million. 37 million. So the float is heavy. The stock has news. I think this is the one with the plant-based animal protein. Animal protein.
Are animals made of plants? I don't know. I don't know the science.
And it is trying to curl. Resistance area at 301. 301. We're going to keep an eye on it. There's a minute 40 seconds. A minute 40 seconds before the bell. It is currently up 112%. It had a high of 128%. And we're just waiting. Waiting. Are you going to get yourself up there? MLEC, what are you going to do? What are you doing? We're watching you. We're watching you. Not a lot of volume here. Almost a minute before the bell. We're getting closer to a minute. Okay, let's go take a look at some other stocks. This is kind of boring. NIVF. Does not look good. No. No. Let's try SMFL. And it does not look healthy either. No, sir. Does not look healthy at all. But we'll give it a trend line. Let's give it not a trend line. Let's give it a support line right here and see if it can hold. And this seems to be a channel right there. And let's give it a little channel action. Let's shade that. And we'll come back and take a look at you. All right, 28 seconds to the bell. This ticker SMFL does not look schmexy. Let's go take a look at MLEC. MLEC is holding above VWAP. We have the levels drawn on it. Significant resistance between 307 and 320. And we got 8 seconds to the bell. We're going to watch it to see if it dips. and rips, or if it just rips, or if it just fades away. Let's pay attention to MLEC. And here we go.
Here we go.
Boom, boom. 117% approaching resistance. Resistance is approximately 307. 307 is very strong resistance. It's breaking through it. It's breaking through it. 121%, the high over the night. The pre-market high was 128. It's got a top tail. Again, a lot of resistance right here.
We like the bottom tails.
We want some bottom tails. Come on.
We like the bottom.
Can you give me a little bottom? Come on. Not a top tail. Come on.
Give me the top.
No, 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 no,
The
no.
bottom. The bottom.
There you go. Come on. Switch, switch.
Yeah.
Yeah, little. Then there goes the dip.
There goes the dip.
Yep.
There goes the dip.
Now will it rip?
Will it rip?
Because that was a bull trap.
Bull trap.
Bull trap,
Boo hockey.
which is kind of common. DBL's next when the bell rings, you know,
Yeah.
very common. And there goes a potential flush. Let's narrow the view of the screen. It looks like it could be doing a flusharoon, a potential flusharoon. What else we got?
EDBL.
EDBL just came on the monitor. EDBL. EDBL.
They just regained compliance with the NASDAQ bid price.
So they regained compliance with NASDAQ bid price requirement. This is a micro float stock of 295,000 shares, a micro float, and it is currently up 12%, and it looks like it halted up. That's what it looks like. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. And there's a lot of bottom tails.
A lot of bottom.
A lot of bottom tails, but not a lot of volume. We'll put an alert and come back to you. We'll put an alert and come back to you. Okay? See what it wants to do. See what it wants to do. Let's keep looking. Let's keep watching. Okay, AGBA. AGBA.
AGBA.
Big mover on April 18th is curling 28%. And you can see that it has the type of chart. It has the type of chart that you would typically see on a continuation. You could see that the candles are kind of on the choppy side. We did draw a descending wedge, and it in fact did do its bull reversal. Bull reversal.
It's got a bottom tail.
Off
Nice
of
one, too.
off of the descending wedge, and it is moving up to resistance. Resistance here at 166. Let's draw another resistance level at 168. Let's see what happens. It's up 31%. Moving slow. Not much movement this morning, doubles. I'm going to have some espresso. This is, this is a little exhausting.
Yeah.
A little exhausting here. You know what I mean? There you go. All right, we're still checking this out. Let's see what happens. It is super extended on the 1 minute. Needs a pullback. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the 5 minute. Let's take a look at what it looks like at the 5 minute. It's coming up to resistance. Ladies and gentlemen, it's coming up to resistance. If you're not subscribed on YouTube, subscribe and do what this guy tells you.
Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And also remember to share.
Sharing is caring. And if you're not on with us on Twitch, Twitch at Coach Nick Money on Twitch. And last but not least, Twitter, X at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money. It's a top tail, and like we said, there is resistance at 166. Ooh. Resistance at 166. It's getting a little boring. Come on, you're getting boring. You're getting boring. Top tails are not for me.
We don't like the top tails. We like the bottom.
We like the up. Is this going to be a bull trap? Come on now.
Come on now.
Be respectful. Remember, it's a continuation, so it's going to be a little choppy. It had news. It's merging with Trilla, which I think is like a TikTok imitation type of thing there, or a competitor, something like that. That's the news.
Something like that.
Whatever. We just looking for the momentum. Not a lot of volume, 77,500, but you do have a huge green tail. But I'm not liking the way it's moving. It's moving very slow, and it's having a hard time at $1.66 on the 5 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute, see what the 1 minute looks like. And the 1 minute expanded. You can see that there's a huge top tail. Now, will it reverse and be an A, B, C, D? I don't think so. I think it's going to go back down. And in fact, it does go back down. And now it is an irregular double top. Here's a top right here for you. Boom.
Boom, boom.
Right there. Right there. And then right there. Boom. Right there. We don't like that because that could be a flusheroon. We don't like flusheroons. That's a bear pattern. But it gave us the breakout off of the descending wedge. So thank you for the memories. MLEC, parabolic. Parabolic. 37 million float. We called it earlier, about 4 hours ago.
4 hours.
Maybe more. And it's breaking through the resistance area that we were concerned about. Does it hold above $3.20? 130%. Does it hold above the 320 level? That is strong resistance. We want to see it hold above that. Come on now. Get the graffiti pencil out. Let's show the people what we're seeing. We're seeing this right here. You see this area right here? Doubles. You see it?
I see it.
Right over there, that there is a significant area of resistance, and it's above it right now, so it becomes support. But will it hold up? Will it hold up? That's the question, and so far it's pulling back. And again, that area between 307 and 320 seems to be a sticking point. It needs to push through it to make me feel warm and fuzzy. You do have 1.2 million shares of stock moving. So there is a volume, but it's still a bull and bear fight. Let's take a look at NIVF, the other runner of the day, and it is up 74%. And again, it looks like it must have halted because it looks like it jumped up over here. So we're probably looking at a halt, right? And look at here, doubles. Hold on, doubles. Look at here. That was a descending wedge, and then a double bottom. We like the double bottoms. Look. Doubles. Check out the double bottoms over here and over there. Come on, give me the double bottom. Come on. 88% I'm showing. Come on, baby. We got resistance levels over here. Let's narrow this down so we can take a look at the levels. 146, 152, 160. And then, of course, we can't forget about 172. Come on, give me a high test. I want some espresso. The high test.
Almost espresso.
My oh my. All right, still moving 94%. Keeping an eye on NIVF. Moving, grinding. Whoa. 101%.
101%.
It is the second bagger of the day that we called on our Discord today. Ding.
Let's see.
If you have not signed up for the special for our Discord,
link is in the description down below.
yes, it is 99 cents for the first 7 days.
In the pinned comments.
And then $39.99 per month. And NIVF, you saw it on the screen. It just halted up 101%.
101%.
101%. We're going to put a little alert so that when it starts up again, if it goes up, if it decides to go up, we're going to get alerted. Alert. I just created an alert.
Yeah.
I just did it. I just created an alert. Let's go see what else we got. What else we got? What else we got? What else is moving? How about WLGS on the scanner? Let's see what WLGS is doing.
Yep.
WLGS not doing a heck of a lot. Very light volume, but it is certainly a penny stock under $1. 3 million float, not a lot of volume. Side chart. Actually, you know what? You need more volume. You don't get the side chart. You don't get the designation of side chart yet. You don't get the designation of side chart. We're going to check out something else. Let's see. What else we got? Let's go back to MLEC, see what's going on with that. Ooh, big flusharoon. Big flusharoon. And it respected that resistance area. And yes, indeed, that run-up was, in fact, a bull trap.
Bull trap.
Bull trap.
Bull trap.
Bull pucky.
Bull hockey.
Bull hockey. Bull hockey. All right, you know what, MLEC? You gave what you gave. God bless.
God bless you, man.
Time to move on. How about TRSG? TRSG.
Yep.
And it broke VWAP on low volume. Low volume, moving 26%. Not very schmexy.
Not very schmexy.
How about penny stock ONFO? Breaks VWAP, low volume, not very schmexy. 17%. We want top movers, bottom tails.
Bottom tail.
Top movers, bottom tails. How about the heavier floated stock JAGX that was shouted out earlier? Let's see what that's doing. It's a super duper penny stock, 18 to 19 cents, and it is at 17% right now. Okay, side chart.
Side chart.
Heavy float on it, but side chart,
Side chart.
worth a side chart because it's such a cheap stock. DBL, it's cheap. How about IONM? IONM. Ooh, barcode. No. Let's go back to NIVF, see if it's ready to start back up after the halt. And it's still halting. We got our alert. We are seeing that the RSI is certainly moving into the overbought area, but there seems to be room. And you still have a lot of big green candles, and the news on it is that it signed a non-binding term sheet, and Edible just hit an alert. Let's go take a look at that. EDBL. EDBL. Whoa, what happened here? It was up like 30%, and now it's crashing and burning.
Whoa.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. See you later. Thank you very much. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. See you later. Bye. NIVF. Back to NIVF. Let's see what's going on with this. Okay, back to NIVF. It looks like it is quickly approaching the overbought area of the RSI, but you have a lot of nice juicy green candles. The candles are getting smaller, but it's been halted for a while, and it is now up 101%. Let's go and take a look at it on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Let's zoom in. 5 minutes. And we have our little alert over there, and we can see that we're waiting for it to restart. And it looks like, I don't know. I mean, could it be an A, B, C, D? Could it be an A, B, C, D? Let's get rid of these other lines over here. Let's do some drawing. Let's do some graffiti. Hold on a second. Here we go. All right, we're gonna get rid of these little drawings over here. Get rid of those. All right. Let's zoom in a little bit. How about something like this? How about let's go to the 1 minute. Do it with the 1 minute. 1 minute. Here we go. All right. How about well, actually, you know what I see here, right? Double bottoms. Now it's kind of extended, so will this be enough to keep it going? I mean, up, and it's off 114%. Does it hold up? Come on, bottom tail. Come on, Manaj. The bottom tail, go up. There you go, baby, 129, and it breaks resistance. Let's see where the next resistance level is. Come on, 129. 129%. Come on, give it some juice, baby. 1.5 million shares on a stock with the float that is only, the float is 10 million. It's on the heavier side, but it's inching its way up. We got resistance at 170, and it looks like it's going for a high test. Premium gasolina, baby. Give it some gas. Come on, gun it. The rectangular one. Push it.
Yes.
Push the rectangular pedal. The rectangular pedal. Push it. Come on.
Rectangular pedal.
129 is what we got so far. Does it keep going, or does it fail at this level?
Let's see.
Volume has dropped. It did drop. You got two top tails now. Two top tails. Very respectable. Very respectable. What do we say? 128%? 130%? Something like that? Something like that. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Top tail on the 5. I don't like that. It might want to go down, you know? Maybe. Maybe. It's got to hold that 160. Otherwise, we get a flusheroon, maybe.
Yeah.
Come on, stay above 160.
Stay above 160.
Be a nice little stocky poo, huh?
Be good to us.
Be a good stock. Come on.
Good. Be
Big
good.
red candle.
Behave. Behave.
Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the memories. NIVF has become the leading runner, but it has pulled back. It has pulled back, ladies and gentlemen. And has it halted? Has it halted down? Looks like it might have. Yeah, it halted down. All right, listen, not a bad run. Not a bad run indeed. Let's go and take a look at AGBA. AGBA. I gotta have my espresso.
The espresso.
Ice espresso.
That's that good stuff.
Let's zoom in. A lot of top tails, man. Woof. Woof. It's got to break that 174 mark over here, and it doesn't look that impressive because you got top tail, top tail, top tail. Actually, that's a doji. Oh, my. Come on. Break 174. If you break 174, maybe, we'll get back to you. We'll get back to you. We'll get back to you. How about SPCB? SPCB, SPCB.
SPCB.
Off of the double bottom, kept going up, trending up now, 42%, but extremely choppy. What a roller coaster. What a roller coaster. Okay, let's go with the next stock. Let's go to Edible.
Edible.
EDBL.
EDBL.
DBL Nix. EDBL Nix. EDBL Nix.
It's EDBL mix.
EDBL Nix. And it is at $5.20, up 38% on very light volume. I don't like when it's very light volume doubles. I don't like that.
You don't like that?
I like volume.
I like volume.
Volume, baby.
Volume's good.
Pump up the volume. Pump up the volume. Zigga, 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 zigga. That's what I'm talking about. Zigga, 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 zigga. SMFL. Let's take a look at SMFL.
All right.
Okay. It broke through that heavy resistance area where it was channeling, but it hasn't really taken off. And it looks, I don't know, man. This could be a bull trap. Not a lot of volume. Not schmexy. Not schmexy. How about a new ticker? Anything new? Let's see. What else we got? Poet, a heavy floated stock, POET.
POET.
Grinding. Any news on Poet? Augmented investor outreach effort and announces management role change. That was on the 17th of April, and the float on this sucker is on the heavy side at 42 million. Not schmexy. No side action chart on this sucker right here. No. How about ONFO? ONFO. Not a lot of volume. Barcoding.
Barcode.
No, thank you. Trying to cut back. Trying to cut back.
No,
AGBA.
We're good.
AGBA. And it is moving up on AGBA, grinding. So we'll give it a level at 180, 180. Let's go ahead and give it that level at 180 right there. Let's zoom in. Not moving very lovely, but it is up around the 40% range, 40% range. Other than that, not schmexy, not schmexy. Do we have anything else that we like? What else do we like, DBL Moms? Is there anything that you would say you like? Do you like LXEO? Let's see what LXEO is doing. Also moving LXEO. LXEO is with news. It's up only 7%. The float is 13 million on the heavier side, and Lexeo Therapeutics announces a licensing agreement to accelerate development of LX2006 for the treatment of Friedreich's ataxia cardiomyopathy. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, whatever the hell that means. Okay. You know what we're going to do? We're going to do one of these suckers. We're going to do a little create an alert. I don't like the lack of volume. I don't like the float, but we'll give you an alert. And I'm not going to make you a side chart. You're not one of those. You're not one of those that gets the side chart. Not yet. Not yet. No. ONFO?
You're not worthy to be my side chart.
Not worth being my side chart. ONFO? Meh. Not feeling it. SPCB still grinding its way up. SPCB. And it's still trending. It's still friends with the trend. It came off the double bottom. Very choppy. Moving 50%. Let's keep an eye on this for a second. Doubles.
Yeah.
We did have a double top over here. Could this be a triple top and a flush? or does it break the level? Let's go put the little doohickey over here. So top, it could flush, right? Because it's a triple top. No?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. 5 minutes. Let's see what it looks like on the 5 minutes. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at the videotape. Will it break this level? Needs to maintain support at the 32% level. 32% level. And we have MTTR popping on the chart. MTTR is now the star. MTTR is the star at 169%, 170%. $4.78. And why is it moving, DBL Moms? Let's go check the videotape. Why is it moving? Let's create a level. 486, 176%. CoStar to buy Matterport in a $1.6 billion deal.
That's
With a
billion,
B. But the float is 260 million shares. So it's a lot of float, but it's 182%. But it is selling for $1.6 billion.
And by the way, that is our third bagger of the day.
Third bagger of the day, MLEC, NIVF,
183%.
and MTTR, 187%.
Oh,
MTTR.
hold it on a private Discord.
On the private Discord, called.
Link is in the description down below and in the pinned comment section. Yeah.
What he said. Okay, so it is a heavy floated stock with news of a buyout for $1.6 billion. And it's certainly going to stay on our chart, our side chart.
It's a side chart.
We're going to keep an eye on it, see what's going on. It is super extended on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute we're looking at. And it is super extended on the 1 minute. It's at that mark where it's flirting and toying with the $5 mark, and it probably needs to pull back, I would say, because it's super extended, heavy float, but some significant news. The news on it was that they are being bought out for $1.6 billion. Billion dollars, and it's now up 185%. It's trying to break the $5 level. Let's do a little bit of an alert here. $5 right there. Boom. That's the level. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Even though it's heavy floated like that, it's got some significant news, and let's see what the volume is. The volume right now is only 4 million, so it's moving on very low volume. Maybe not a lot of people know what's going on yet. But it is a huge float stock, so it could flush at any moment with these big, heavy floats. I don't like that. Too bad it had a heavy float. $4.99, so it inched up another penny. It's overdue for a pullback. Let's take a look at the RSI. You could see overbought. A lot of green candles, though. Big news. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I mean, it's still holding this level right here of support, which is $4.85. It's right there. It's channeling between $5 and $4.85. Let's see if it can keep making some moves. Very heavily traded on the buy and sell, the bid and the ask. So heavy stock, overdue for a pullback. Went parabolic, 185%, I believe, was the high. Heavy float, $1.6 billion buyout.
With a B.
Billion dollar buyout. $1.6 billion buyout by CoStar to buy Matterport. So, do we have another little squeeze here? Let's see. It's due for a pullback. Going to keep an eye on it. It is currently the leading runner of the morning. The leading runner of the morning. Now, we had other stocks that ran higher than this, right?
Yeah.
Right? Didn't they? No, they did not actually. This is the leader as far as running. But that float, though, my. That float's making me want to drink some espresso. Ice.
Espresso on the rocks.
Muy bueno. Yeah. I like that. Yeah. Come on now. What's going on here? See, when the float is heavy, things don't move like that. I mean, it went parabolic. It had a little bit of actually had a significant bottom tail right there, right when the news came out, right? right when the news came out. But it is certainly overdue for a pullback, so we'll see what's going to go on. Let's move on to the videotape. Let's go and check out some other stocks. Let's go take a look at SMFL, see what that's doing. SMFL, and we'll come back to you. MTTR, we'll come back to you. SMFL. And it is up currently. So this we can't go by this number because this is clearly a reverse split. A reverse split right there. It's up actually 30%. And it was obviously a reverse split because whenever you see this on Thinkorswim where it's like 800%, but everything is like at a line. And now that explains why it was consolidating in this area because it looks like it was a reverse split. Not moving a heck of a lot. It's at 30%. Let's take a look at AGBL. AGBL was called in our private Discord on April 18th before its parabolic run. And AGBA. That's what I said. Doubles, come on. I said what I said, and that's all I said. 58% and $2 is now the resistance area. Let's give it a little level right there. $2 is a resistance area, and in fact, we were a little concerned about a double top over here, but we had that descending wedge that it broke out of, and now we're up to 58%, and now the resistance level is the $2 mark, and it is respecting the $2 resistance level. Let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute. What does it look like on the 5-minute doubles?
Let's see.
It looks like it's got a top tail. No.
We like the bottom tail.
Give me a little bottom. What the heck?
Tail.
What the heck? What did I do to you? Hey. All right, let's go take a look at MTTR again. Let's see what's going on with that. MTTR, $1.6 billion buyout. MTTR. $1.6 billion buyout, but the thing that makes me a little concerned is that the float is so big. The float is too big. It's too big. The float on MTTR is 260 million shares. 1 minute chart. Let's take a look at it. And it's starting to break down. Will it hold at VWAP? I mean, it had such a massive move already. And the float is so big. It's just a big float. Doubles?
It's just so big.
It's so big. Ay. Can you give me a bottom tail? Nah, this is going to flush, man. Let's go to MLEC. Let's see if MLEC turns. And this is another heavy floated stock. 37 million shares, and you could see it had a massive sell-off off of that resistance area that it was definitely respecting. The resistance area was from 307 to 320-ish, 319, and it flushed. This went up about 130%. Nice run. Thanks for the memories. But time to move on to brighter skies. NIVF. And what do we have here? Nothing really to talk about. Obviously, a major sell-off after that big run. And, of course, it lost a little bit of the momentum when the halts occurred on it. But we'll come back to you. Edible. EDBL. Next. EDBL. What did I do? EDBL. Come on. EDBL. There we go. Did it halt? It looks like it halted up 51%. $5.70. Okay, we'll put a little alert. A little bit of an alert. And if we hear it ringy ding, we'll come back to edible. We'll go back to edible. What else popped up on the scanner? Do we have anything else on the scanner? Another low floater. Bold. B-O-L-D. Not E-bold. B-O-L-D. Lightly traded. Not schmexy. Here's another one that's running. GTI. Not schmexy. JAGX. Heavy floated stock, but it was moving. And potentially schmexy. Heavy floated stock. Penny. Under 20 cents. Whoop. Penny alert. Whoop. Penny alert. Woo! Hey, can I get my little red light on my head? Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Not really moving that well. You know, I mean, it's okay. 22%. Hey, listen, I could get my graffiti pen now, and I can say that it did a little bit of this over here, and a little bit of that over there. Little trend action, a little bit. It trended a little bit. No. Okay, 22% on a heavy floated stock, no problemo. We're going to put it on a side chart. Side chart, ladies and gentlemen. Side chart, IONM. Currently up 33%. Low volume makes me sad. Low volume makes me sad. SABS, boom. SABS, no. No, MTTR. Sadness. What are you doing to me? NIVF. It is 10 o'clock. Volume is starting to go down. So the stocks aren't really moving too well today anyway. But we did have 3 100% plus runners. MLEC, NIVF, MTTR. Will we have a fourth one? Anyone, ladies and gentlemen? SERV, serve, up 12%. Not schmexy. DBL moms, not schmexy. No. SPCB. That one. You know, I got to tell you, it's coming down. But it's still maintaining the trend. Believe it or not, it's still maintaining that trend, huh? But wow, triple top, right? We talked about that. Top, and it pulled back. Now, is it going to flush even more? Because it's got triple tops. Not really appetizing right now. DBL moms, it doesn't look like a sirloin. It doesn't look like my favorite steak. You know what my favorite steak is, right, Mom?
Yeah.
What is it? Ribeye and T-bone.
T-bone steak.
T-bone, you get the bone in your mouth and you go, arr, 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 arr. Oh, wait a minute. Edible. The steak. And it is now up 62% off of the whole. 62%. What's the news on edible? Edible Garden regains compliance with NASDAQ bid price requirement, and it is only $295,000 float. It's a low floater, ladies and gentlemen. Will this be the next 100% plus bagger? Will this be the next one? 77%, 250,000 float. It's a baby micro float. It's like Nemo. Right? That was that baby dog, Nemo?
Baby dog?
Yeah, the fish, whatever the heck it was. Something like that. I don't know. I don't watch cartoons. I don't know, but you know what? Look at this, $6.57. Will it break? It looks like it wants to keep going. It's extended. Yeah. It's extended. 670. Might be losing juice right now. Let's see. Let's get the other graffiti pencil out. $6.70. $6.70. Resistance. Let's pull this down to take a look at the other resistance areas. So we got 670 as a resistance area. We have 693, 715, 745. $8. Do we get it? Come on. Top tail sucks. Top tails, no. Bottom tails. Let's see what it looks like on the 5 minute chart. Let's take a look at the 5 minute chart. Wow, what a curl. So it was selling off, and then it regained compliance with NASDAQ, and it curled. Will it continue to curl on the 1 minute? Let's see. It needs more volume, and it is certainly overbought on the RSI, but it has two nice, juicy green candles, but it is super extended, and there goes the pullback. Ooh. All right. So that's what's up, ladies and gentlemen. That's what's up. Do we have any more stocks that look good? If you like a particular stock, put it in the chatteroons and we'll take a look at it. A bottom tails is forming on edible. Come on. Turn green. Let's go to the 5 minute. 5 minute. Let's go to 5 minute chart. 5 minute. Let's see what it looks like. What does it look like? Top tail. No. XXX. No top tail. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. We don't like the top tail. We like the bottom tail. Look, come on, turn green. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Boom. Come on. A, B. Come on now. Come on now. Pump up the volume. B, C, D. D. D over here. Come on, over here. Can you do it? Can you do it? A, B, C, D. Come on. It is respecting the 9 EMA. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Low floater, 250,000 shares can go up fast and down fast. Will it be an A, B, C, D? It's losing volume. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Come on. Hold VWAP. Level 2 is turning red. Level 2 is turning red. No, 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 no. And it looks like it halted down. Halted down. All right. Thanks for the memories. LXEO. LXEO. We got an alert. We got an alert. LXEO. What happened here? LXEO moving. Only 7%. What's the news? Lexeo announced license agreement to accelerate development of LX 2006 for the treatment of Friedreich ataxia cardio myopathy. I got asthma now. I got asthma now. And the float is 13 million on the heavy side. On the heavy side and moving too slow. It's like watching wet paint. Oh my God, I'm falling asleep. Time to have some.
Isn't rain supposed to be wet?
Wet paint.
I thought you said wet rain.
Paint,
like,
paint, paint.
Paint dry.
I know.
Yeah, what she said. Man, everybody's a critic. Do you think it's easy being so beautiful? My goodness. My goodness, ladies and gentlemen. All right, what else are we looking at? NIVF moving upward. Let's see what it's doing. NIVF. 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 Share the stream. Let's have a party. If this goes up, let's have a party. It's curling. Is it going to be a cup and handle? A cup and handle? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm going to get my special graffiti pen out. Right over here. Right over there. Is that going to be a cup and handle?
Could that be?
Could it be a cup and handle bull pattern?
Maybe.
Doesn't have a lot of volume. Doesn't have a lot of volume. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. 5 minute. Yep. Time to zoom in. Looks like a potential cup and handle on the 5 minute, but it's more obvious on the 1 minute. And it's not overbought or oversold in the RSI, and you do have some green candles, but the tails are on the top, and we don't like top tails.
We like the bottom.
On the bottom.
The bottom.
On the bottom. It broke VWAP. Resistance levels at 146, 152, 160. 172, and then of course right at 177, which is the high of the day. Let's go and put a mark over there. Let's put a mark over there. Let's do it. Come on, come on, come on, right there. And this was one of the 3 100% baggers called today. Right there. Yep, and it fails. SMFL moving. SMFL moving and grooving. It looks like it was a reverse split, and it is at the $5 mark, and it halted up, and it's up now. It's up now 48%. And it was in fact a reverse split. I've got confirmation. I've got confirmation. It was a 1-for-7 reverse stock split. That was reported on April 18th. April 18th. Now, I'm not sure what the float is, but it's got to be low, I would guess. Yeah. Because it was a reverse split. Reverse split. Halted. We're going to keep an eye on it. Let's put an alert. We're putting an alert on there. Share the stream if you want to share the stream. Share. It don't cost nothing. Share. It don't cost nothing, and we could have a party. Yeah. Let's have a party. Party time. Create. I'll stick around a little longer. Let's see if we got something that's juicy.
Schmexiness.
Come on, give me something juicy. Something. Give me a something. How about MTTR? Did it recover? MTTR, $1.6 million deal. It is curling. Very heavy floatage. Heavy float, 260 million. But CoStar is to buy them for $1.6 billion. And we got resistance at the 486 level, 485. And of course, there's that channel between 485 and $5. It is certainly in the overbought area of the RSI, and volume is decreasing. Let me get the graffiti pencil out right now, and we're going to draw a little channel. Little channel action right there. Hello, right there. Boom.
Whoa.
So that's a respected area. We don't want no double top, because that's what it looks like right now. We want a lot of volume to push it up, and it doesn't have a lot of volume. So this could be a double top unless the volume comes in. We need it to break over $5 with authority. Listen, you're getting $1.6 billion. Don't let them disrespect you. Break the $5 mark.
Come on.
Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Come on now. Come on now. A little respect there, no? A little respect. You know what I mean? A little respect. Let's go back to MLEC, see what's going on with MLEC. I think that might have been the finito moment for it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's finito. Finished. Done. Let's go to AGBA. Is AGBA done or not done? Meh. Okay, maybe something, maybe. I don't know. Not very impressive. Not very impressive. Well, let's go to GTI. GTI. Let's see if that got itself together. GTI. GTI. No. ION. No. Where's the cookie? Where's the cookie? Give me the cookie. I want the bottom tail. Give me the cookie. Yeah. Give me some bottom tail. Where's the bottom tail? I'm looking for it. Let's go back to MTTR. MTTR. I don't want to talk to nobody right now. I'm on the stream, no? I'm on the stream now. Come on the stream. Okay. It looks like it's going to definitely be a double top, and it's going to be moving downward. That's what it looks like to me. So, all right. Where's the one that was halted? Which one was the one that was halted? Was it NIVF, or edible?
Edible.
It was edible. And NIVF is, in fact, also curling. And SMFL has moved. SMFL. Moving up 55%. High test. Come on now. It's not moving with a lot of authority, doubles. That's what's making me get a little upset.
Showing a bit of a top tail.
Come on. I'm going to clear it up a little bit. Let's clean this chart up a little bit. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Old drawings out. Oh, we already did that. Okay. All right. We are waiting. 48%. Nah. We'll come back to you. Edible. Edible seems to be active. Moving. We had the ABCD pattern, and then it pulled back. Okay. There was another one. Wasn't there? I could have sworn there was something that was halted. It must have been SMFL. Must have been. Okay. All right. Not seeing anything else that's really schmexy right now. And it's time for a second Espresso Ice. Time to wrap it up. If you're not subscribed to YouTube,
be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And also remember to share.
Sharing is caring. And if you're not following us on Twitter, X.com, it's at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money. And we're also on Twitch, at Coach Nick Money. So you can follow us there too. And if you want to join us on our Discord, because our Discord's off the hook, we are the best. I'm not just saying it because it's me. It's the truth. It's just the truth. You could see it with your own eyes. Don't believe me. See it with your own eyes. 99 cents for 7 days trial. Do it. The links are in the description. Just do it.
And the pink.
And go ahead and do it, and you get 7 days for 99 cents, and then it's only $39.99 for the off the hook Discord. And we're watching Edible, and it looks like Edible's moving.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Hold up.
Hold my jacket. Hold my bag.
Hold up.
It's moving.
Hold up.
70%. 70%.
7%.
Let's go and take a look at the levels.
We got-
Looky here. I'm going to have to do the outro all over again.
Oh.
It's still moving, ladies and gentlemen. Share the stream because we got a potential another runner, 76%. Edible. Edible. Edible regained compliance with NASDAQ. With NASDAQ. And it only is a 295,000 float stock. It is a micro, mini float. Like a mini skirt float. A mini skirt float. Come on now. Edible. Oh, yeah. 78%. Did it halt?
Did it halt?
Did it halt?
Oh.
Oh, it's juicy. It's juicy. Pump up the volume. It halts at 78%. Let's go ahead and put the videotape up. Let's go ahead and create an alert. And I was just about ready to leave. Just as I was getting ready to get out, it pulled me back in. Is Edible going to be the next 100% plus runner of the morning?
Just as I
Doubles. DBL Moms. We already called MLEC. NIVF. MTTR. But that was a big one. Hey again. Hey again. EDBL Knicks.
Yes, sir.
EDBL Knicks.
EDBL.
EDBL Knicks. You know what? I'm going to watch this. In fact, not only am I going to watch it, watch this. Ready? Watch this. Boom. Chuckalaka. Boom. Watch this. Boom. Wait a minute. What am I trying to do here? What am I trying to do? Yeah. Hold on. What's going on? Where's my writing utensil there? Where is it? There it goes. That's what I was looking for right there. EDBL. Let's put the dollar sign in front of it. I like that dollar sign. Watch this. Watch this. I'm going to give it good luck. Knicks.
Yeah.
DBL. EDBL Knicks. Come on now. Boom. Right there. Right there. Let's highlight it. Oh. EDBL. EDBL. Up. We didn't want that.
No.
Man. What's going on here? What's going on? I did something wrong here. I did something wrong. You know what? Let's change the ticker. Wow. Back to that one. And now EDBL. Back to that one.
There we go.
Let's go. Zoom.
Zoom.
Too much of a zoom.
Too zoomage.
Too much coffee, man. Way too much coffee.
Too much espresso.
Too much espresso. Woo, baby.
You got
EDBL.
an espresso shot.
EDBL. Maybe I should get the decaf next time. Decaf? Decaf. We're going to come back to Edible. EDBL. Knicks.
Yes, sir.
Currently up 78%. Halted. Micro float. Gain compliance with NASDAQ. Micro float.
Jackie?
295,000 shares.
Yeah.
That's it, ladies and gents. Is this going to be a mega runner today?
Maybe.
Could it be?
Could it be?
Let's do the little trendy, rendy line. Let's do the trendy line. Trendy, rendy line right there. Boom! Trend line. It gave us the A, B, C, D, flushed back down, teased us, and now it is at that resistance level of 670, 671, 672, like that. Okay, but it was on the way up, and they halted it.
They halted it.
And it has news. It regained compliance, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
It regained compliance. This is just a show, by the way.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Hey, not financial advice, not stock advice. Do you see the sign on the screen?
thing
The big
there,
red
the
one
thing there, the
that
big
says
one.
not financial or stock advice. We're just having fun.
Yeah.
We're having fun. We like runners.
Yeah.
Get those track shoes on.
Yeah.
Get them sneakers on. They call them
Yeah.
sneakers up north.
Yeah.
They call them tennis shoes
Yeah.
somewhere. I don't know where. Where they call them tennis shoes. Look it up. Look it up.
look it up.
Midwest. Yeah.
Somewhere.
Something like that. Come on. Is EDBL going to be the next runner? We will come back to you. Let's see what else is moving. Is anything else moving? Let's go to MTTR. MTTR. Let's take a look at it. MTTR. Nah. Under VWAP. Nope. Heavy float. Not schmexy at the moment. Not schmexy. Not schmexy. Let's go to the videotape for SPCB. SPCB continues to respect the trend line, but a heck of a ride, let me tell you. Let's extend this trendy line a little bit further up.
The trendy line.
Very, very, very choppy, but it came off of that double bottom 4 hours ago when we called it, and it kept on trending up. But you would have had to put your seatbelt on because it was a bumpy ride.
Yeah.
A bumpy ride. We're still waiting for Edible to go live again. It has been halted. Halted.
Halted.
Somebody in the chat mentioned bird. They want to give you the bird.
A bird.
And the bird is moving. Moving 25%. What's the float on bird? Very heavy float. Another one. Very heavy float. All birds unveil tree runner go. Don't know what that means. It's up 25%. Side chart.
Side chart.
Oh, edible, edible,
Whoa.
edible, EDBL,
There we go.
EDBL,
EDBL.
up 87%. Come on.
10% up.
Top tail's no good. Bottom tail's what we want.
Bottom
The
tail.
bottom tail. Do it for EDBL Knicks. Come on.
me.
EDBL Knicks.
For me.
Pump up the volume. Pump up the volume. Come on. It needs volume. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Other way. Doesn't have the volume.
No.
Doesn't have the volume doubles. We're going to keep an eye on it. 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
5-minute chart. I need my espresso.
Yes,
Ho! 91%. All I had to say was I wanted my espresso. Come on now. 1-minute chart.
I guess you could say
Top tail. No. 89% so far. Only 89%. Oh, it went up to 94%. You can't give me 100%. What? You didn't like my Sunday outfit? You don't like my jacket? What is it? Come on, you can do it. Edible. You only got 295,000 shares afloat. What's the volume? Show me the volume of DBR Moms. 3.29 million. 3.29 million, grinding its way up, 92%. Will it give us the 100%? Will it be the fourth bagger of the day that we call? Come on now. Come on now. Give it to me.
Give it to me.
You can do it.
Give it to me.
Kick it in there. Never mind. I can't say that. This is PG, no?
Whoa.
PG.
Whoa.
PG.
I know what you
Come on. Resistance at the $7.15. Break the resistance. Break it. Next resistance level
Break.
at the high of the day, 739. Next resistance, 745. Does it do it? You got a bunch of top tails. I don't like that.
I like the bottom tails.
Bottom tail, 5-minute chart. Boom.
Whoa.
Let's take a look at it. And it is certainly overbought on the RSI, but you got some juicy, thick rib, delicious green candles. I like that. I do like that.
Whoa.
But it's losing some steam, it looks like. It looks like it's losing steam. Come on. Come on now. I need to see you stay above 715 so that you stay schmexy.
Say schmexy.
Give me the 100%. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Give it to me.
Give it to... They gave it to
They
me.
gave it to me.
How they gonna give it to you?
They gave it to me.
How they gonna give it to you? Tell me how much I was.
They gave it to me.
Come on. 100%. That's what I want. Come on. You could do it. Come on now. Come on now.
I love that meme.
Come on. Oh, man, that's a lot of top tails, yo.
Yes, sir.
A lot of top tails. We don't like that. We want bottom
You
tail.
want the bottom.
Come on now. Come on. Blow. Push. You got this.
Pressing and
You
pressing
got
and blowing
press.
and blowing.
Press. Come on
Blowing and
now.
blowing.
It's toying with my emotions, DBL moms. Get me my tissue. Give me my tissue. I'm perspiring here. Another top tail? Come on.
Perspirate.
It doesn't have the volume. It is after 10 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen, and it did give us a nice run. 94% DBL moms? 94%. Come on. We're going to keep an eye on it. Come on. Looks like it's getting ready to roll over, though. I don't like that. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart.
Meh.
5-minute chart.
See?
5-minute doji on the 5. Doji on the 5. Whoop. Doji. Up, bottom. Top tail on the 5. No. All right. All right, you didn't want to give it to me. You didn't want to give me 100 plus. Not yet, huh? Not yet. Okay. Maybe later. Maybe. Maybe later if I'm a good boy. If I'm a good boy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the show.
That's it.
Go ahead and hit the subscribe button on YouTube.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And be sure to share as well. Share.
Sharing is caring. Follow us on X at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Follow us on Twitch.
Coach Nick Money as well.
At Coach Nick Money as well. And if you want to join us, hold on. Hold on. Every time I try to do the outro, every time I try to get out of here, there goes Edible. 98%. Come on. Come on now. Don't toy with my emotions. Over 100. Over 100. Come on. Over 100. Come on. Don't toy with me. I'll tell your mommy. I'll tell your mommy on you.
I'll call your boss. I'll call your mother.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
I'll call everybody.
And I did the outro twice already. Come on.
Don't toy with me.
You know, as soon as we go off, this thing is going to run.
I
Right?
feel it. I feel it.
Wait a minute. Hold on. 99%. What a tease. 100%. 101%. Oh, Manaja Marone. Oh, 102. 102, baby. Come on, 102. That's how we end it, baby. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's a bottom tail. Oh, no. Is that a bottom tail? Oh, we like it, the bottom tail. It's a priority. 103%. Come on, baby. Parabolic. Parabolic. Come on. Let's go. 105. 105. Squeezy. Nice and easy. Come on now. 105%. 295,000. Float. It's a micro mini skirt, ladies and gentlemen. A micro mini skirt. And it looks schmexy. At 105%. Edible, you were indeed. Edible, you were indeed. EDBL Knicks, you were actually EDBL Knicks at 105%. Wait a minute. Bottom tail. No. Come on, baby. 106%. Next resistance level incoming. 793. Come on. Yes or no? Flushy, or do you keep going? Little bit of a pullback. Certainly overbought on the RSI. First red candle after a lot of juicy ribs of green. Yeah. Yummy. All right, that was respectable. 106%. And the fourth bagger of the day, EDBL Knicks.
Yes, sir.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go, baby. So we got 4 100% plus runners this morning alone. MLEC, NIVF, MTTR, and Edible, EDBL Knicks. Okay, outro time. It's Coach Nick Money.
And DBL Knicks.
And the one and only DBL Moms. And we are out of here.